Hi everyone, welcome to Loop Law Crochet Studio. I'm Nello. Today we are going to make the classic granny square. It's the most famous beginner pattern in crochet. If you're new, this is the perfect place to start. And by the end of this video, you will have a beautiful square you can use for blankets, cushions, or even clothing. So grab your yarn and hook and let's begin. Start with the magic ring. Chain 3. And this chain 3 count as your first double crochet. Then put 2 more double crochet in the ring. Don't forget to use a stitch marker to mark the beginning of the first double crochet. Then chain 2 and work 3 double crochet into the ring. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in the ring, chain 2, 3 more double crochet in the ring, and chain 2 and a slip stitch in the beginning of the first 3 chain to join. You should have 4 groups of 3 double crochet and chain 2 space. So slip stitch to the center of the first chain 2 space. So now that we have complete round 1, we'll go to round 2 where we'll chain 6. Three of the stitches will count as your double crochet and the next 3 is your 3 chain space. Place your stitch marker at the 3rd chain and work 3 double crochet in the same space. Then chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the 2 chain space, and chain 3 and 3 more double crochet in the same space, and chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the next 2 chain space, chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the same space, chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the next 2 chain space, and chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the same space, and chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the first space where you had the 6 chain, and slip stitch into the 3rd chain, and slip stitch to the center of the 3rd chain. And there you have it, your 4 corners. Chain 6, and this is your row 3. Don't forget your stitch marker. Place 3 double crochet in the same space, chain 1 and place 3 double crochet in the 1 chain space, chain 1, and when you reach the corner you'll place 3 double crochet in the 3 chain space, then chain 3 and 3 more double crochet in the same space, then chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the 1 chain space, chain 1, and in the corner where there's a 3 chain space, you put 3 double crochet, and a chain 3 chain. So whenever you reach the corner, you'll always put 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet in the same space, and wherever there's a single chain, you'll put 3 double crochet, and you continue like that until your piece reach the size you want it to be. We are now at the end where you'll close it off with 3 double crochet in the last chain 1 space, chain 1, and 2 double crochet in the space where you had your first chain 6 space, and you slip stitch in your 3rd chain from the start, and that's it. You have just made your very first classic granny square. If this was helpful, give it a like so more beginners can find it. Don't forget to subscribe to Loopla Crochet Studio for more easy tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you would like to learn next.